Meet John, who works for a company called ABC Course. They sell online courses on various topics. They have a website where customers can browse and purchase courses, a database where customer information and payment details are stored, and a network where employees can communicate and share files. ABC Course wants to protect its data and systems from cyber attacks that could compromise its reputation, revenue, and legal compliance. However, it doesn't have a clear idea of how to do that. It doesn't know what kind of threats it faces, what kind of vulnerabilities it has, and what kind of measures it should take. They invest in services of a cybersecurity consultant company called CyberCorp. CyberCorp explained them about cybersecurity frameworks. A cybersecurity framework is a set of standards, guidelines, and best practices to manage risks that arise in the digital world. They typically match security objectives like avoiding unauthorized system access with controls like requiring a username and password. Cybersecurity frameworks help organizations to plan, implement, monitor, and improve their security posture. There are many different types of cybersecurity frameworks available for organizations to choose from. Some are developed by government agencies or international organizations. Some are specific to certain industries or regions, and some are more comprehensive than others. Some are more flexible than others. CyberCorp creates a set of policies, standards, and procedures for ABC Course based on the following frameworks. NIST. This framework was created by U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology in 2014 as a voluntary guidance for critical infrastructure sectors. It consists of 5 core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Each function has several categories and subcategories that best describe specific outcomes and activities for improving cybersecurity. The framework also provides implementation tiers that indicates the level of maturity and sophistication of an organization's security practices. Next is ISO 27001 and ISO 27002. These standards were developed by the International Organization for Standardization as part of the ISO 27000 family of information security management systems. ISO 27001 specifies a requirement for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and improving an information security management system. ISO 27002 provides guidelines for selecting and applying security controls based on the risk assessment. Next is PCI, one of the cybersecurity frameworks that focuses on standards for online payments and transactions is the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, which is called PCI DSS. This framework is a set of protocols that help organizations prevent any kind of fraud while transacting through debit card, credit card, or any other card. It covers areas such as network security, data encryption, access control, vulnerability management, monitoring and testing, and incident response. Organizations that comply with PCI DSS can reduce their risk of data breach, fines, lawsuits, and reputational damage. As you can see, cybersecurity frameworks are essential tools for organizations to manage their cyber risk and improve their security posture. However, choosing and implementing a cybersecurity framework is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires careful analysis of the organization's context, goals, resources, and challenges. It also requires regular review and update to keep up with the changing threat landscape in business environment. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about cybersecurity frameworks. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.